How to increase your landing page conversion rate. 20 practical steps. Here are the top 20 steps to increase the conversion rate of your landing pages. We'll quickly go through each step, but you can find more details on those in our blog post. You'll find the link in the description. Number 1. Place your call to action at the top of your landing page. There's a saying, if you don't want your conversion rate to drop, place your call to action at the top. Number 2. Focus on one offer and one call to action per landing page. When your landing page has multiple offers and calls to action, page visitors face a paradox of choice, too many things to consider. Eventually, they just leave your page without converting. Number 3. Repeat your CTAs across the page or make them sticky. While you don't want multiple different calls to action on your landing page, don't be afraid to repeat the same CTA a few times. One at the top, one in the middle, and one at the bottom. Or think of making a sticky call to action, the one that travels alongside the visitor as they're scrolling through the page. Number 4. Reduce the perceived level of commitment. Here are some of the ideas you may want to try to reduce the perceived level of commitment. Instead of "start now," use "start your 14-day trial" as your call to action. If your product or service doesn't require a credit card to get started, consider putting "no credit card is required to get started" next to your call to action. If you're promoting a webinar, consider placing this phrase next to the call to action to maximize the number of registrants. If you can't attend the live session, register anyway to get the slides. Number 5. Align your ad message with your landing page call to action. With your ad and landing page, you're really telling a short, yet compelling story. Take a look at this example. See how the ad and the landing page are connected? Good. Moving on. Number 6. Use striking action-packed calls to action. A call to action message that emphasizes a benefit and instills a sense of urgency will increase your landing page conversion rate. Consider avoiding generic phrases such as "learn more." Here are some examples of effective calls to action. Create your free account. Start your free 14-day trial. Reserve your spot today. Activate your discount now. Get your free copy. Number 7. Eliminate the escape paths. Do your landing pages have your standard website upper menu and footer? If the answer is yes, then get rid of them. Otherwise, they will distract visitors and serve as escape paths, through which your landing page traffic will be leaking. Number 8. Reduce the number of required fields on your forms. Lengthy sign-up forms do more harm than good. If you're thinking of how to increase the conversion rate of your landing pages, consider reducing the number of fields on your forms. Number 9. Analyze what your users are actually doing on your landing page with heat maps. Landing page heat maps can give you a better idea of what users are actually doing on your landing pages, what elements they're clicking on, what information they find the most valuable, and what parts are merely distracting them. Number 10. Improve your page load speed. To maximize page load speed, you need to ensure all of your images have been compressed before you start using them on your landing pages. Testing your landing page speed is easy. You can use Google's Page Speed Insights to check page load speeds manually. If you're using Marcom Robot Landing Page Builder, you've got the page load speed testing feature available for you out of the box. Number 11. Understand what devices your visitors are using, and check how well your landing page has been optimized for them. Number 12. Make your landing pages shorter. Less scroll is always a good idea. Number 13. Show your product or service in action, while highlighting the benefits. It is crucial to use product screenshots, videos, and real-life use cases on your landing pages. Number 14. Establish an A/B testing routine. The most common things to test out on your landing pages are: position of the call to action, call to action message, main headline message, open form versus button with an overlay form, video versus screenshots, short landing page versus long, content-heavy landing page. Number 15. Use dynamic text replacement. With dynamic text replacement, your visitors see the content that is more relevant to their search terms, and thus are more likely to convert on your page. Number 16. Instill a sense of urgency. Consider using countdown timers to create a sense of urgency and fear of missing out. Number 17. Provide real-life feedback from your existing customers. Number 18. Use a landing page builder. With a landing page builder, you can create landing pages from high-converting templates, launch landing page A/B tests, and quickly identify winning patterns. Gain visibility into landing page performance with powerful analytics. Align calls to action on your ads with landing page headlines using dynamic text replacement, and much more. Number 19. Add a data privacy and data security notice. Assure your visitors that their data will be safe and sound. Number 20. Check relevancy of traffic, bounce rate. If none of the previous steps increased your landing page conversion rate, it's time to ask yourself, am I driving the right traffic to my landing pages? Check that by reviewing your bounce rate. It represents the percentage of visitors who dropped off, bounced from your landing page right after they've arrived. From there, check your targeting criteria to see if you can optimize them to get more relevant traffic. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more training, and join our community on Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn.